Hello. So I was out looking at rocks on my dog walk this morning, and I have some little finds. This was from yesterday. I found it in something, under something. I don't know. It was out there, and it was didn't get wet, so it was somewhere safe. And then I found one of the rooster feathers. And this is a creek find, call it a floodwater find. And then I was going through a book, and so I have that. But I have my shops here if you want to go look at them. And then, let's see, I've got this bowl of goodies that I picked up. I mean, this is probably my favorite right here. And I think I may go in a little bit different with my junk journals. And they're nature already. Most of my digi-kits and stuff are of natural stuff, like things I take pictures of out here. And I was going to like make spine dangles out of small little rocks, possibly. And I'm going to glue this to something along with this one. I thought they'd be cute. But I'm going to focus a little more on my nature journals than I have been. I haven't been focused enough, I don't think. But, oh, this way, look. So it's got a mouth and the eyes. So cute. And then the little tiny crinoid. And these little pieces. This has a, can you see it? The shell impression. And then this one I thought was really cool. Nothing real special, except it's just a perfect rectangle almost. So I just thought I'd make the little announcement that I'm going to try and focus more on nature and chicken feathers. And, oh, don't forget the rusty things for my junk journals. Thank you for watching. Bye.